In this video, I'm going to show you how to fill out the as-is purchase and sale agreement for the state of Florida, also known as the FARBAR. Pay a lot of attention because there's some things that you don't want to miss, and just know that county by county, some things might be slightly different, but the principles are the same. Also, if you're watching this video in the very far future, check the date on the contract. Maybe it's outdated. Either way, there's going to be a link in the description for you to get these contracts. Click that link or something if you need them. Let's go. What is up, guys? Let's fill out this purchase and sale agreement. So as you can see here, we have our PSA. So the first thing we need to do is get the address. Let's get some property details going on. I'm gonna pull it up here. I just spoke with the agent as well, and she said, put it on a purchase and sale agreement. So here we have the agent. We have some offer details that we can grab from, here we go, 2 Springs Drive. Boom, 23 Drive. We're gonna grab that address to start. Okay, then we're gonna go over to the FARBAR, also known as a purchase and sale agreement. This is for Florida, by the way, and we are gonna start inputting some text. So we're gonna put in the property address right here. Okay, what county is it in? Well, it's in Jacksonville. Well, what county is Jacksonville in? Well, that's a simple Google search away. Okay, Jacksonville County. What county is Jacksonville in? Duval County. Okay, so we're gonna grab Duval and we are going to fill it in. Boom. Located in Duval County. Okay, so now we need to get some details on the property. So we're gonna go Duval County Property Appraiser, and guys, almost all of these things are gonna be pretty much the same. Okay, we can put in the property information. So each website might be slightly different, but it's essentially the same. Click. Boom. Search. Less is more. Here we go. Okay. So now we need to get their name, which I want to be able to just copy, but they don't make it that easy. We need a couple of things here. We need seller's name. We need property tax ID. We need real property legal description. Each website is always slightly different. Makes it a little bit sometimes hard to find the info. Where are we at? For legal description, see land and legal section below. See that? Land and legal description. There we go. So the legal description is kind of complicated. There we go. Okay, now we need the property tax ID. And I like to find that on Zillow. More often than not, it's on Zillow. Under facts and features, parcel number, property tax ID, same shit. Okay. Boom, property tax ID. Cool. Now we need the seller's name. Let's just copy this. Okay, and then we're gonna put my name in. Deals with Nate LLC. Cool. Okay, so seller's name, my name, property address, county, tax ID, legal description, all that stuff. Okay, purchase price. 330,000 EMD, we'll do 3,000. Okay, and then we are going to have to do some math. 330 minus 3,000 equals 227. There you go, because this is the balance right here. Okay, now we need to put title company's information in. I'm just gonna copy and paste right here. Boom, and if you end up using this title company that I use, just let them know Nathan referred you. Show them that I appreciate them. Oh, we missed the one. Phone number. By the way, YouTube likes to black out things when we share phone numbers. So these might be blurred. If they are blurred, just come into our Discord server and you can get all of the sauce unblurred, unfiltered. Just go to dealsnate.com/risingstars and you can join our Discord server. Okay. Cool. So we're gonna do a 5-day inspection period and we're gonna do 5 days to deliver EMD. So I'm gonna put a 5 here. If left blank, then it would be 3. We're gonna tell them that we want them to accept today. Today is October 5th. October 5th, 2025. Actually, you know what? We'll give them till tomorrow, October 6th, 2025. Close of escrow. They told me they wanted 14 days, but they're also buying another property, so make sure to communicate to the agent that I'm flexible. So 14 days from now is That's October 19th, so we'll say October 20th, on or before October 20th. On or before October 20th, 2025. Wow, this will be the 5th closing that we line up for October. Okay, may assign but may not be released of liability, cash transaction, buyer to pay closing costs, seller to pay assessments up to the date of closing, inspection period to be 5 days. What year is the property? Property is 2001, so we don't need an LDP. There is going to be a homeowners association, but the agent will take care of that. So in the additional terms, I am going to add buyer to pay agent commission of $4,000. I budgeted for that. Buyer to allow seller up to a 7-day post occupancy with 10,000 left in escrow and to be forfeited to the buyer if seller doesn't vacate 10 days after closing. I made a lot of spelling mistakes. Don't make spelling mistakes. I don't know if that's useful. Forfeited. Okay. So, buyer to pay agent commission of $4,000. Buyer to allow seller up to a 7-day post occupancy. Up to a 7-day post occupancy if left in escrow with $10,000 left of $10,000 of seller's proceeds left in escrow, and to be forfeited to the buyer if the seller does not vacate 7 days after closing. Okay. Cool. So now we need to figure out the agent's brokerage. We are going to search her up. Florida, I believe this is her. Jacksonville Realtor. Okay, so United Real Estate Gallery. Is that the same gal? Yeah, that is. Okay, so we can take her information. We can put her here. Okay, so listing broker, copy, paste on both sides, because she's representing both sides of the transaction. Representing me and the seller, because she knows both of us. Bam. That's not right. Cool. Okay, we've got everything in there. This is good. And then all we have to do now is we have to sign it and then send it to the real estate agent.